Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching Niche How. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Open JDK, that is Java Development Environment Kit. So let's go ahead and download the latest version of or early access Open JDK and install it on Microsoft Windows. So this is Microsoft Windows 10. If you've got 7, 8 or 8.1, you should not have any issue following these steps to download and install Open JDK on your desktop, laptop or workstations. So this is where you get all the information about Open JDK, okay, but the downloads are not available at this subdomain here. So to get to this download page, you got few options. Here is the download section. You can get to this page. If you want to use and you are an advanced user, you can click on install link here, and this will give you a bit of information if you want to download and install JDK, Open JDK on Ubuntu distributions and BSD, whatever it is. Okay, so you can go through it if you are on Linux or Mac. For Windows users, very simple one. So go ahead and go to this URL, which is jdk.java.net/ the version of JDK that you want to download. So version of JDK that I want to download is 14, but this is 13, which is general availability release, JDK 13 GA. Okay, you can get early access releases here on the left. So you've got 14, JDK 14. Go ahead and click on this JDK 14, and if you want to go ahead and read the documentations, you can read the notes, release note, test result, API Java docs for JDK 14 early access EA. Now there are a few things here. You can see these are the download links for Windows, specifically for 64-bit. So you need to have 64-bit operating system type to try Open JDK 14 or 13. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on this zip link here, and this is going to download this Open JDK 14 EA early access plus 2013 Windows 64-bit. Now you can go ahead and save it. I already have downloaded to save our time. So this is how you can do it, and this is going to be available on my desktop. Okay, so make sure you are able to find this archived zipped folder wherever you are downloading. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and locate it. So here it is, and then you have to extract it. So unzip it. You can use the Microsoft Windows extractor, that's perfectly fine, but that takes time. So I'm going to use 7-zip extractor and extract it in just few seconds. Okay, so here we are. This is the extracted folder. What we need to do, just open it, and here we have JDK 14, Open JDK 14. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put it aside on the right, and then I'm going to open a new Windows Explorer and put it on the left, and then go wherever you want to install it. So this is the manual installation. What you have to do, because it's a 64-bit, so I'm going to get into program file, which is for 64-bit applications and softwares, and then create a new folder. Just say continue, and I'm going to say Java, and within this Java folder I'm going to drag this JDK 14 in and say continue, and this is installed. But if you go ahead and launch your terminal and say Java version, it doesn't recognize. Java C version, it doesn't recognize. J shell, it doesn't recognize. So what we need to do, we need to set this Java to the system path, also create the home, Java home path, and I'll show you how to add class path as well. So you've got everything here, so let's go ahead and open, and let me maximize it and get into bin folder and copy this location. Now we are quickly going to add this Java to system path. So I'm going to close this. I've got this location here. Go to menu and then type variable, and then you say and hit enter. You will get this system properties advanced, and then go to environment variables. Now under here system variables, okay, you have to do everything here under system variables. Now select the path, hit edit. On your system, if you've got 7 or 8, the interface will be different, slightly different, so you will have to figure that out what I'm doing here. So then you have to say new and paste that JDK bin folder location and hit OK. There's one more thing. If you go ahead and try JDK version, this is going to work. It's not working. Okay, so what we need to do here, though it's been set to the path, we haven't actually done properly. So if we go ahead and say now Java version, and it's going to work. So version is recognized now. Java, the runtime environment is recognized. Let's say compiler. So Java C hyphen then version and hit enter. Java C14 J shell, let's see, this is also recognized. So but you will not be, maybe possibly not able to compile and run Java code. So let's say, okay, let's say if we got something already compiled here. So I'm going to delete every compile classes and let's compile it. So I've already got a very basic like minimal code here. Let me go ahead and open the command prompt in the same folder where I'm in here. So I've got set up my command prompt with this Sublime text. Now what you have to do, simply to compile it, say Java C and the name of the file and hit enter, and this has been compiled. You can go ahead and see you got hello world Java class. Now let's go ahead and run it. So to run it, you simply say Java, this is runtime, Java runtime Java hello. You do not need to add dot class and hit enter. It's working, but on some of the computers it may not work. So what you need to do, you have to add the Java home variable path. So go to this start menu, say system variable, go to system environment variable and hit new under system variables and just say Java home, and then this is the JDK location that you need to put in the variable value, and this is the name as it is. This has to be as it is. Okay, there's one more thing that may help a lot of people on, depending on what which JDK you're using. Basically this is 14, so if you're using 13, 12, 8, whatever it is, then you need to add the class path as well. So simply say class path, and this time it's going to be lib \asterisk dot jar, and now no matter what operating system you have, 7 or 8 or 8.1, you will be able to compile and run Java on your Microsoft Windows 10. So this is how you download, install Open JDK on Microsoft Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If you've got any issue installing and setting path, class path and Java home variable path, please let me know in the comments. So simply what you have to do, download, install, set a path, create a new variable Java home, and create a new variable class path for Java. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.